Hi friends, right now I am at Sivanasamudra Waterfalls. This is located in the Mandya district of Karnataka, and this place is also known for Asia's one of the earliest hydroelectric power plant, which was established in the year 1902. So here you go. This is Sivanasamudra Waterfalls for you. This is nature at its best. We say that save the planet, save the earth, but I would say that in front of nature we are so minuscule that it is only human hubris we think that we are going to save the planet. Nature is too big for us. So rather than having that hubris, let's save ourselves by respecting nature. So I sign off here. Thank you.